Manage Windows updates on your own schedule, keeping your device running smoothly and securely. In the taskbar, search for Windows Update. If your device has an update ready, you can restart it now to complete the installation, or schedule the restart for later. Select Schedule the Restart. Turn scheduling on and choose a time and date. You can set active hours for your device so Windows won't restart an update while you're working. Select Change Active Hours. Select Change. Then, set the hours you don't want to be interrupted by an update. And hit Save. Whenever you choose to update, be sure your Surface is plugged in, you have at least 40% battery charge, your Surface accessories are connected, and you're connected to the internet.